take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there.
Stock this was only full sodas and be wasting sodas all the time because they would take 1 or 2 sips and then it would go flat and I'd have to pour it out. Also, this fridge is in our garage and it does only get filled with drinks, so you will not see me put anything else in here. Last time I did a drink fridge restock, someone asked me where our food was. This is not the food fridge, solely for drinks. Okay, so now that I have the door stocked, I'm gonna move on to that half, beer. You can pretty much always find beer on the top shelf of the drink fridge because that's the hubby's. The milk is actually supposed to go down here. So I'm gonna put the milk we just got in first and then move those down to the bottom. All right, that's good. So now we're gonna add the juices. And then we have those juices that I'm gonna put in, and I got thirsty and drank some of this. It was really good. I would recommend it. We're going in with the Snapples now. I also did get the little mini versions because they like these for breakfast sometimes. So what I'm gonna do, I usually put them up there, but I'm actually just gonna fill this drawer with them. They look so cute in there. And of course our sweet tea. Yes, I know I already put Dr. Pepper in the fridge, but the little ones are the kids and the big ones are mine. And the last drink to be added, right there. So this is what it looks like when it's full. We have the Capri Suns and then a variety of sodas for the kids. And then over here we have mine and the hubby sodas. We have a bunch of different juices and teas, milk. We have water, and then I had extra drinks, so I threw them down in the bottom. But this will last us probably, I would say, definitely over a month, if not over 2 months. It just depends on if we have company, if the kids have friends over, and all that. So it lasts a while, I promise. We don't just drink this in like a week or two.
I love an aesthetically pleasing fridge, but it didn't work in my household. Now don't get me wrong, there's a few principles that have worked really well in our house, like these containers that are great for healthy grab-and-go snacking. Overall, we're healthier because of these. But rather than a container for everything else, now we have zones in our fridge. Vegetables dedicated to planned dinners. I used to put these yogurts into those long skinny containers, but then I'd get mad when that last one didn't fit. Instead of more long skinny containers for these small items, I just maximized the space that the fridge already gave us. And I stopped dumping out things that were already in containers into prettier containers because really I just didn't like the work involved. I would also always forget expiration dates or they'd rub off whatever I wrote them on. And because I keep my fridge organized in zones, I'm not really concerned about buying the same things every week to fit into these containers. I just buy what's on sale. I leave room for leftovers. Oh wait, one thing TikTok did teach me is a dedicated bucket for raw meat, so I definitely still have that. But for us, picture perfect wasn't perfect. This simpler take on everything is.